Okay, so this is our app. This is it's called Wonderful. It's the theme is to travel. Like, there's a lot of travel blogs and like people go around different places to eat. So the theme of this app is for it's like an Instagram style where when you go to your location, you see you're backpacking through India. You take a picture of the location and then the different foods in the regions. You can see right here we have our sign-in page, which uses username and password. Jenesh found authenticator BC Crypt that encrypts the password, so it's one-way encryption, so you can't decrypt it from I guess hacking it. Yeah, we have the sign-up form here. It takes in the standard information: username, password, first name, last name, and the email. I guess I could demo login first. Sorry. So this is our homepage. Just show the feeds are just coming down, just like Instagram style, and you have up here it's a random quote. It's a random quote API that as whenever you come back to a homepage, it just generates random quotes. I guess if you need inspiration when you're traveling or feel down, here's a random quote from I guess Chinese proverb. And these are the posts. We only have a small. Okay.
When did that one get there?
I was just testing it and I uploaded it, but oh damn, it doesn't have.
Wow. So.
Yes. That we haven't worked on finished that functionality yet, but yeah, it's coming soon. And we have here the button to upload information. Actually, yeah. I guess.
This is to pretty much add a post, so you can add a photo and then add like captions, descriptions, everything you want.
Yeah, and give a caption, class, sanitation, hashtag 6.2. And then give me a location. Where?
Queens.
Yeah, somewhere like specific, like a building.
47 does
47.
All right. 40.
Awesome. Look, it pops up.
All right, so upload. So it's going to show the image there, and I have to actually uncomment something. Right, so we uploaded the picture. It's gonna reload. It has no. Okay, this is the you can add a like. We need to add some CSS on that. It reloads the page and the like shows up. And you can see here, this is the post. It has no likes. And what I wanted to show, go to profile page and you go to location. Yeah. It uses the Google Maps API to that's why when you enter location, uses two Google API, the geocode API, which translate the address into longitude and latitude, and then it uses the Google Maps API to put a marker on the map. So this is us. And to get back, this is a bug, but I guess it's useful. Just go back here. You're in home. You guys want to take another one?
Yeah. So when you're in the home page, only the user that's logged in can access their post to edit and delete. So for example, Voniel signed in. So if we go to this test post, he doesn't have access to that functionality. But if we go to his post, you can change the caption and the hashtag. So for this one, I don't know, I'm gonna change it to food, hashtag yummy, I guess. And submit it. And it changes the caption and the hashtag. Same thing with deleting it, it just removes it from the feed in real time. Okay, just kidding, it broke, but it worked yesterday, so it just takes it out. So.
And
We
for
also have the settings page where there's not that many things the user can edit, but they can change the theme to light or dark. Oh my god, the input box disappeared. Oh no, it's here. They could change their username if they want, or they could change their profile picture here. That's about it in the settings page.
Oh, no. Well, yeah, you can show the search.
Yeah, we also
Oh, yeah.
added this search by hash.
go to home.
Go to the homepage.
Where's the homepage?
So it will show.
And now do the search.
So here,
Yeah.
you can search for posts by hashtag. So most of them have the word this, right?
Yeah.
So
H
hashtag
doesn't work.
Huh?
A.
A.
Yeah.
Not that many have A. But
No, this works because it's T, it's not H. So all of the posts that have. Oh no, just kidding. What happened?
It hadn't refreshed yet.
Refresh.
No.
Did you hit enter?
I refreshed it. Whatever. This. Enter.
Oh my god.
Alright, so little minor bug is easy to fix out. But what it does is like it searches for the hashtag by looking at the hashtag symbol, and it you could also search by username, so it only shows the post from the user and the hashtag, and that's about it. Guess we'll log out.
And you can log out.
And
Try going
sorry
to the
to.
route, and then we'll let you know.
Yeah, we're using session storage to check if the user is we store the username in the session storage and the user ID. So if you're not logged in, you're just not gonna go anywhere. And you sign in.
That's the
Test. Sign up, yeah, that's the. So when you sign up, it takes you back into login page for the tester. Uppercase. Yeah. Test. Let's just hope. I have a problem remembering passwords. So I hope I remember this. Yeah. So I forgot the password.
Lowercase t.
Yeah, so yeah, that's test. That's login through signing up and then logging in, and you go to profile. You see your username, and you see you have no posts. Then go to home. Gonna upload posts. Guess I want to be famous. So. Me. This is me.
This is
me. Yeah, another location. Somewhere far.
in Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico. We're in Puerto Rico.
San
San Juan. Upload. Hopefully it works. Then go to profile. That's
you
me.
made it.
Oh, you gotta go back to
Where's Puerto Rico?
zoom out.
Yeah, you gotta zoom.
Right there.
Yeah, San Juan.
Any final questions from the audience?
You had some really slick animations, like when you were clicking in the search bars and such. Was that through Bootstrap or is that?
So we used Material UI.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Yeah, that came with some of the animations, and then yeah, that was mostly the animations, and like the, go back. Settings. This was like done through another transition.
Yeah. I was gonna say, yeah, everything looks nice and polished. It's cool.
Oh,
I was gonna say, what was the hardest thing about the project, and if you add any like feature, what would you add to it?
The hardest, I would say the hardest thing, well for me was the map. I went through I used like a lot of, just trying to find the right package to use a map. Because Google doesn't have like any built NPM packages, so you're gonna have to like dig deep and find your own. And just trying to find, because I went through like 4 iterations of the map and then finally found an NPM package that just takes all the API, just takes only an API key and just call a component and then it just does it for me. So that was the hardest part.
And features we want to add or wanted to consider adding was buds, so you can have like friends that you can share your travel things with.
you can pretty much buddy up with people.
Yeah, so like find people to travel with. A wish list, pretty much showing where you want to go and travel to. And I think the travel is the feed.
Something that was tricky in the back end was like storing the hashtags.
Oh yeah.
So we had to sacrifice space for we got time instead of that. So yeah. I think Winter had a question.
What all did you guys work on? And can we see the pages in dark mode?
I worked on, oh wait, no. I started the profile page. I started mostly in the profile page. I did the settings. I did dark mode, the maps, and I worked on little parts in most of everything else.
We were all over the place. I was in the back, the front, but I did a lot of back end and then little random stuff in the feed, like trying to add the like, and what else? That's basically it in the feed.
I worked on the feed, the filter for the hashtags, pretty much
The hamburger.
the hamburger menus on the cards and on the nav bar.
Cool, thank you very much.
Like,